Hey photographers, it's Michelle. In today's video, I'm bringing you a behind the scenes vlog of a recent branding photo shoot that I did. This is for a local Western boutique clothing apparel, and it's also for a charmbar, so it's like two separate businesses into one. The charmbar is like jewelry and all that stuff, so lots of styling, and it was a really good shoot. I apologize ahead of time because this vlog is gonna feel a little chaotic because I had 28 looks to get through with 6 different models, and I was trying to get professional video clips for them, as well as behind the scenes clips for you guys on the vlog camera, as well as for social media and TikTok, and then of course the images. It does kind of go between vlogging camera, phone footage, my camera, like nice footage, video camera, so it's a little bit of a hodgepodge together, so please forgive me for that. It was a lot to fit in a couple hours, and also there was a lot of wind, which was beautiful for the photos, but some of the audio was pretty unusable, so I use a lot of just like music over this vlog. If you guys have any questions, of course, comment below. I almost wasn't gonna post it, but I think it might still be valuable for those interested in kind of seeing how the photo shoot kind of came together. And as far as location, it was a very beautiful location. However, there was literally like almost no shade there, and so dealing with harsh direct light, which works well actually for clothing brands, but I had to be very intentional with it. And then gear wise, I shot everything with my Canon R6, and then this is a newer lens to me, but I tried the Canon RF 24-70 2.8 lens, and I think it did pretty well. I knew I needed a lot of variety quickly because I'm usually a prime girly, but I think this came in really handy and it was fun to use. One of the first times I've used it, so I was pretty happy overall with it. I hope this gives you some inspiration. It's a lot of fun, and I personally love them because I get to be a little bit more creative, but I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Yeah.
Behind the scenes. So cute. And hey girl, hey. That's cute. Okay, now oh, all the hands in the air? Yeah. Pretty girls. And then let's do a serious one first. So it kind of chins up just a little bit. And then we went looking at each other, big laugh, ha ha. So pretty. Yeah, right there. Oh my gosh, these are yep. Oh, of course.
If you're there,
Yeah.
if they're like up
Yeah,
and crossed,
cute.
like this.
Oh, we haven't even done.
There's too much stuff. Traffic jam. Sorry, sir.
I know, we're thinking she's like the designated. Yeah, right there, right there. That's so cute. And then maybe I head back up to the sky.
Oh, so Abby.
Stop! You are. Like, keep going.
Okay, what up?
And then let's do what some, or let's do one without. That's so cute.
So cute.
Actually, I would love a video clip of like the desk with the boots. You know
And those boots are in my store, so that would be cute.
Okay.
Yeah.
like kind of kicking it up. Yeah. I'm gonna try to get like I'm gonna kick rocks to you. No, you're good.
Could you imagine?
So. Okay, go ahead.